Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. Today we want to count how many times we sold apples, pears or oranges. And we have just a small table because we want to check our results. We can count ourselves how many times we sold, for example, apples. But for bigger tables, it's not possible, it's not so simple task, so we want to learn which function we can use. And in our example we will use COUNTIF function, and this function just have two arguments. The first one is a range on which we are going to check our condition, our criteria. So in our case, the condition, our criteria, is a name, product name, so we can select a cell with product name. And COUNTIF function will check each cell of a range she contains these apples or not. And if she contains apples, it will add +1 to a counter. Not apples, so we are not adding anything. Apples again, so +1, another apples, not apples, not apples, and apples at the last place. And we will be adding 1, 1, 1 to our counter to have the proper final result. And it's important in our example that we have to locked range, so it will stay in the same place, but criteria should be free, because when we are going to copy our formula down, we want to our criteria condition move down for other products. So now we can end our function, put in a cell and copy it down, and we can simply check that we have sold apples 4 times, pears 3 times, and oranges twice. And it will work even on bigger tables. We have to just give bigger range.